Welcome to New Car Latest Update. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck brings vintage charm and modern innovation together in a stunning blend of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Paying homage to its iconic roots, this truck is designed for those who value style, utility, and performance. The front view of the Chevrolet 3100 commands attention with its bold design. The wide grille, featuring horizontal chrome slats and the signature Chevrolet emblem, is a nod to the truck's historic past. Flanking the grille are advanced LED headlights with a retro-inspired round design, providing excellent visibility and a touch of nostalgia. The sculpted hood and clean lines enhance the truck's aerodynamic profile, making it look both powerful and modern. Backside. Moving to the backside, the Chevrolet 3100 keeps its practicality while adding contemporary flair. The tailgate features a stamped Chevrolet logo, paying tribute to its heritage, while the LED taillights blend seamlessly into the design. The rear bumper includes integrated steps for easy bed access, and the truck bed is lined with durable materials, equipped with multiple tie-down points for ultimate functionality. Interior view. Stepping inside, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 offers a cabin that combines vintage-inspired details with the latest technology. Premium leather seats with custom stitching provide comfort and durability, while the retro-themed dashboard is updated with a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system supports navigation, smartphone connectivity, and real-time updates. A fully digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, offering customizable displays for essential driving information. The interior is further enhanced with wood and chrome accents, creating a warm, timeless atmosphere. Right view. From the right side, the truck showcases its streamlined profile and balanced proportions. The flared wheel arches house 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, emphasizing its readiness for both city streets and rugged trails. The chrome side mirrors and door handles add an elegant touch, while the overall design speaks to its dual purpose as a workhorse and a showpiece. Left view. The left side mirrors the right, continuing the truck's harmonious design. The flowing lines and classic silhouette are complemented by subtle modern elements, such as the charging port for its hybrid powertrain, discreetly placed near the front fender. This detail reflects Chevrolet's commitment to blending sustainability with timeless design. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck is a celebration of history and innovation. With its bold design, luxurious interior, and advanced features, it's a truck that honors its heritage while paving the way for the future. Thank you for watching New Car Latest Update. Stay tuned for more exciting showcases of vehicles that combine tradition, innovation, and unmatched style.